EVS, different types of home. Students, everyone needs a home. Yes or no? Animals, birds, insects and us, human beings, we all live in different types of houses. So this chapter is about houses. You will see lot of pictures related to animals, birds, insects and us. So let us begin. Different types of homes. Dog lives in a kennel. Lion lives in a den. Look into the picture. A cow lives in a cowshed. Birds live in the nest. A spider weaves a web. Bees build a beehive. In the olden times, man lived in caves. Look into the picture. Then man started building a house with twigs, leaves and hay. These are called Stone Age men. You will be learning about them in your next class. Nowadays, man has started building houses with stones, bricks and cement. We live in such kind of house. There are many other different types of house. This is a tent. A tent is a temporary house made with cloth, ropes and poles. It can be folded and carried from one place to another. A circus tent is very large. You may have seen it. Even that can be folded and carried from one place to another. This is a hut. A hut is a small house. It has walls made of hay and coated with mud. Its roof is made of coconut fronds or bamboo. People live in villages and stay in huts. Now, these are chawls. Chawls are of 2 to 3 floors. There are many rooms on each floor. The bathrooms in a chawl are common and are used by all. Many families live in a chawl. This is a bungalow. An independent house made of stones, bricks and cement is known as a bungalow. In such a house, only one family can stay. It is an open space in front as well as at the back. These are buildings. They are usually multi-storied. Each story contains 2 to 3 flats. This is a skyscraper. In metro cities, there are buildings with 20 to 30 floors. These are called skyscrapers. They have lift or elevators to go up and come down. Students, always remember, we can live peacefully in a house with our family. We can rest there and keep our belongings safely. A tent and a hut are small and temporary houses. Chawls, bungalows and tall skyscrapers are big and permanent houses. Students, I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.